Rain, chocolate rain, chocolate rain, chocolate rain, chocolate sauce around, chocolate rain. Some stay dry and others feel the pain. Chocolate rain, a baby will adopt before the sin. Chocolate rain. A school book said I can't be here again. Chocolate rain. The prisons make you wonder where it went. Chocolate rain. Build a tent and say the world is dry. Chocolate rain. Zoom the camera out and see the light. Chocolate rain. Forecast to be falling yesterday. Chocolate rain. Only in the past is what they say. Chocolate rain. Raise your neighborhood insurance rate. Chocolate rain. Make us happy living in a gay. Chocolate rain. Make me cross the street the other day. Chocolate rain. Made you turn the head the other way. Chocolate rain. Kids are got to derp 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 chocolate rain. History crashing through the veins. Chocolate rain. Using you to fall back down again. Chocolate rain. History quickly crashing through your veins. Chocolate rain. Using you to fall back down again. Chocolate rain. Seldom mentioned on the radio. Chocolate rain. It's the fear your leaders call control. Chocolate rain. Worse than swearing, worse than calling names. Chocolate rain. Say it publicly and you're insane. Chocolate rain. No one wants to hear about it now. Chocolate rain. Wish real hard it might go away somehow. Chocolate rain. Makes the best of friends begin to fight. Chocolate rain. But did they know each other in the light? Chocolate rain. Every February washed away. Chocolate rain. Stays behind as colors celebrate. Chocolate rain. The same crime has a higher price to pay. Chocolate rain. The judge and jury swear it's not the face. Chocolate rain. Dirty secrets of the economy. Chocolate rain. Turns that body into GPD. Chocolate rain. The bell curve blames the baby's DNA. Chocolate rain. But the test scores are what the parents make. Chocolate rain. Flipping cars and prancing overnight. Chocolate rain. Clean the sewers out beneath Mumbai. Chocolate rain. Cross the world and back, it's all the same. Chocolate rain. Angels cry and shake their heads in shame. Chocolate rain. Lift the ark of paradise and sin. Chocolate rain. Which part do you think we're living in? Chocolate rain. More than marching, more than passing law. Chocolate rain. We make how we got how we are.